SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company located in BTM Layout, Bangalore. With a strong commitment to delivering high-quality BIM services, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. As a BIM company, SCON Design specializes in providing comprehensive and efficient BIM solutions for various projects across different sectors. The company's expertise lies in utilizing the latest technologies and software to create accurate 3D models, improve collaboration among project stakeholders, and streamline the construction process. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart from other BIM companies is its team of highly skilled professionals. The company boasts a team of experienced architects, engineers, and BIM specialists who work together to deliver exceptional results. Each team member is well-versed in the latest BIM practices and possesses a deep understanding of the construction industry. This ensures that every project undertaken by SCON Design is executed with precision and attention to detail. SCON Design takes pride in its ability to provide customized BIM solutions that cater to the specific needs of its clients. The company understands that every project is unique and requires a tailored approach. By collaborating closely with clients, SCON Design ensures that the BIM models and workflows are aligned with their requirements. In conclusion, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a reputable BIM company based in BTM Layout, Bangalore. With its team of skilled professionals, customized solutions, comprehensive services, and commitment to innovation, SCON Design has established itself as a reliable partner for BIM projects. Whether it's residential, commercial, healthcare, or infrastructure projects, SCON Design has the expertise and experience to deliver exceptional BIM solutions that meet the unique requirements of its clients. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company located in BTM Layout, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise in the field of building information modeling, BIM, SCON Design has emerged as a trusted name in the industry. The company offers a wide range of BIM services to clients from diverse sectors, including architecture, engineering, construction, and real estate. SCON Design is known for its commitment to delivering high-quality BIM solutions that cater to the specific needs and requirements of its clients. As a BIM company, SCON Design understands the importance of integrating technology with design and construction processes. The company employs a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are well-versed in the latest BIM tools and techniques. This enables them to provide comprehensive BIM services, including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, construction sequencing, and virtual reality walkthroughs. By leveraging the power of BIM, SCON Design ensures improved project coordination, enhanced collaboration, reduced rework, and increased efficiency throughout the